My name's Jose. I'm the founder of a management consulting firm. I rated CCC One total repair platform 4 out of 5 stars. And for more reviews like this, just click below. Before switching to CCC One, we were using a small piece of software called Tracker. And it was designed for mom and pops. And when we're turning out, 50 cars a day, we were no longer a mom and pop and we needed something that could scale with us. Some of the reasons we chose CCC One was integrated parts ordering, updated parts pricing, being able to follow the job and ultimately reduce the amount of paper that we actually use in the shop to kind of keep a cleaner carbon footprint, if you will. So it saved us a good amount of money just in printing and paper fees alone. Getting started with CCC was a bit of a challenge, and the only reason I say that is because we went from a very small, constrained system to something that incorporated everything from the front end to the back end of the business. So getting everybody on board and getting everyone trained in different aspects of the software and having them understand how everything works together was difficult. The good thing is that they helped us with onboarding, and ultimately it was a fairly smooth transition. I think that if anyone's considering CCC, you definitely want to track how much time you're spending doing some of the tasks that can potentially be automated. For example, our guys used to spend hours per day on the phone calling and ordering parts or following up to find out when a part would arrive. Thanks to CCC One, we're able to submit the order electronically, get an electronic notification once the order is received, and we're able to see draft invoices before the parts come into our facility so we know what's coming. And so that cut down the amount of phone time and in turn made our process a lot smoother.